Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, we're going to look at how you can create your blockchain account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications to never miss an upcoming video. Blockchain.com is a cryptocurrency financial service company. The company began as the first Bitcoin blockchain explorer in 2011 and later created a cryptocurrency wallet that accounted for 28% of Bitcoin transactions between 2012 and 2020. Firstly, open up blockchain.com. As soon as you open the blockchain official website, you can see on the top right corner of the screen there is a sign up button. Firstly, enter in your email address. Also create a new password. Then again reconfirm your password by typing it again. Now select your country of residence. After you fill in the information, check this box. Now click on continue. That's how you can easily create your blockchain.com account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. We will be back with similar videos like this. Thank you for watching.